Track anything in real time with the precision performance of the GL300 GPS tracker from Spytech. This unit is super discreet with a small body size of only 2 inches, so it fits almost anywhere. Plus, it packs a 2.5-week battery life for extended use and less charging hassle. The 4G connectivity allows the tracker to provide more accurate location data with better cellular coverage. Attach it to a person, vehicle, or object and start tracking from your phone or computer immediately. The GL300 is streamlined and easy to use with an online tracking platform to match. It is totally customizable based on your needs to set up alerts and more. Easy enough for home use to keep an eye on an elderly parent or make sure the kids are safe walking home from school. And sophisticated enough for commercial applications to track company vehicles, assets, and more. Get to tracking with the GL300 real-time GPS tracker, only from Spytech.